subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung is reportedly working on its upcoming Galaxy A series phone, which is set to call Galaxy A51. Recently, the 91 Mobile has leaked some of the images that showed the internals of the upcoming Galaxy A51 smartphone. According to the leak image, we can see a gap at the top corner that is set to house a quad camera setup in L shape, including LED flash. The leak image also shows the bottom of the Galaxy A51 that has a 3.5mm audio jack along with the USB Type-C port. And there is also an image that shows the dedicated microSD card slot. Talking about the specifications, according to the Twitter user Ishan Agarwal, in partner with Droid Shout, suggests the Galaxy A51 will support a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a water drop notch at the top center. As per the camera, the Galaxy A51 is set to feature a 48-megapixel main camera, while the other three camera details were not revealed. But according to the previous report suggests, the other three cameras would be a 12-megapixel wide-angle camera plus 12-megapixel telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom and a 5-megapixel camera as depth sensor. For selfies, there will be a 32-megapixel camera at the front. On the software front, the smartphone is set to run on Samsung's One UI 2.0 based on latest Android 10. The handset is also set to pack with 4000 mAh of battery that may support fast charging. The details related to processor were not revealed, but according to the previous leak on Geekbench listing suggests the Galaxy A51 will be powered by Exynos 9611 chipset paired with 4GB of RAM, and it is expected to have 64 or 128GB of inbuilt storage. Now talking about the release date, the Samsung Galaxy A51 is reported to launch on first quarter of 2020 and the price is expected to be 21,000 Indian rupees or $300 US. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy A51 has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Samsung Galaxy A51, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.